Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a Roblox boy avatar. So we're going to get started with the eye. On the left hand side, we're going to draw in an oval. We're going to line this up at the same height on the right hand side and just replicate that. Let's color in black. Let's move underneath from the smile. We're going to connect that from the left eye to the right. So we're going to curve this around, over, and then back up. Let's close off the shoulders now. So starting from the center, we're dropping down. We're going to curve this line over and out towards the left. And then we're going to start back on this line, curving this over and out towards the right. Now let's close off the head. So from the bottom, we're going to curve this line up in the corner, bringing this through towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. So we're going to curve this around, over, and then back up towards the top. Let's continue this as we come through. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the center. And we're just creating a square. We're going to do the same as we move in from the top. So we're going to curve this around, down, and then connecting this line back together. Now let's draw on the body. So we're going to step in on this line. We're going to curve this out and in on the side. We're gonna do the same thing on the right, and we're just gonna end that at the same height. Now from here, let's curve this line over and out on the side. Again, ending that at the same height. Let's draw in a straight line across now. So from left to right, we're gonna bring this line over towards the side. We're gonna step up, replicating that, bringing that across. For the symbol now on the right, we're going to draw a diagonal line on the top. We're going to come down, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that. On the top now, from corner to corner, let's draw in a diagonal line, and then we'll do the same on the bottom. Right in the center now, we're going to draw in another square. And now let's finish off the arms. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line out. From that point, we're going to arch this around, back down. We're going to step up now, starting back on this line, curving this around and in, ending that at the same distance. Do the same thing on our left arm, curving that down. Again, from that point, we're going to arch this over and through towards the bottom. And now let's close off the hand. So we're going to start on the inside, arching this around and across. We'll do the same on the left. Now from here, we're going to start from that point, curving this around and back down. Now coming over, we're going to curve this line over and through towards the top. Let's draw some detailed lines on the arm now. So we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, stepping down. Let's replicate that. Let's move across on the left-hand side now. Drawing that in again, finishing that off. Let's draw in the legs. So stepping over from the side, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down. Let's leave a gap in the middle, coming over on the right and replicating that. We're going to step over on the side. We're going to bring this line straight down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height. Now from here, let's close off the feet. On the inside, we're going to arch this around and through, flattening that out. And then moving over on the side, again, curving this around and then back in towards the middle. Now on the top, let's draw in a straight line across. We're going to line that up at the same height on the left-hand side and just replicate that. Now let's move down again. One more time, leaving a small gap. And then again, lining that up at the same height on the left-hand side. We'll replicate that. Coming down for the foot, in the center, we're going to draw in a slight curved line from left to right. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side. And that is it. That's how you draw a Roblox boy avatar. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.